It was just another normal day. I was walking back home from school.
Oh no, what happened to you? It's just the dog, let's go.
Don't worry, my friend. I will help you. Please, sir, can you save him?
Like, don't worry, son. You brought him just in time.
You saved this dog's life, boy. I just did what I could. Look at you! You're all better now! Thank you, Tom. You have a very kind heart. I am happy I helped.
So kids, always help others. Kindness always comes back.